In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the PIN number on your Chase debit card. This is super helpful if you've forgotten your PIN or just want to update it for security reasons. And the good news is you can do it online without visiting an ATM or branch. First, log into your Chase account using your computer or mobile app. Once you're in, find the account linked to the debit card whose PIN you want to change. Click on that account to open the details, and then look for the Manage Account option. Tap or click on it, and then choose Manage PIN. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your 16-digit debit card number for the card you want to update. Make sure you type it correctly, because this is how Chase verifies which card's PIN you want to change. After entering your card number, click Submit, and Chase will process your request. Once the request is submitted, your new PIN will be mailed to your registered mailing address. Typically, it takes about 5 to 7 business days to arrive. During this time, your old PIN will still work, so you can continue using your card until the new one arrives. And that's it. Changing your Chase debit card PIN online is quick, secure, and convenient. It saves you a trip to the ATM and lets you manage your card from the comfort of your home. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.